Yeah. So, guys, welcome to my channel, Cryptomaniacs. If this is your first time, thank you for coming. And if you're a returning subscriber, of course, I enjoy having you come back to get some value from the channel. All right, so today, without wasting much time, I want to talk about AKKA, AKKA, the latest airdrop from AKKA Finance on Satoshi app. This is it about AKKA. All right, so claim these AKKA tokens now to secure this game-changing token before it hits the market. Now, what is AKKA basically? AKKA, AKKA, AKKA has 8 million tokens to be airdropped during this period, and it starts from August 26 to October 26. That's just 2 months. But before you rush off, okay, listen, because this has some very strict requirements and I need to break it down for you. So first, what is AKKA? AKKA is a pioneering AI-driven platform that transforms DeFi trading, okay, by aggregating liquidity from multiple decentralized exchanges. Okay, AKKA delivers unparalleled trading experiences. So we know that there are so many decentralized exchanges, right? And although this is not supposed to happen, okay, but it could be possible that there's a decentralized exchange that lacks liquidity at some specific times. This happens for a number of reasons, okay? So you have people who, for example, want to buy a token, want to swap a token, want to exchange a token, but the token is not available, okay, because there's no liquidity, okay, because people are not there's not enough of that token for those people who want to swap or who want to buy to purchase. All right, so that's a liquidity problem. Now that happens, okay, but it rarely happens, but it can theoretically happen. As more people join the crypto space, they need to swap, they need to buy, okay, there could be a time where there'll be less liquidity available or no liquidity, but that is not supposed to happen. All right, so this token from AKKA exchange is going to aggregate multiple decentralized exchanges, okay, to make sure that there is always liquidity. If a particular decentralized exchange does not have liquidity, then based on the aggregated liquidity, other exchanges can provide liquidity for that period. And of course, when the liquidity is now available, the amount of token that was collected temporarily from a particular decentralized exchange can now be returned back to them accurately without mixing up things, and probably there'll be some interest on it. I mean, who knows? All right, so I was just trying to explain that liquidity part for you. Now you can benefit from near zero slippage. Okay, what is slippage? Slippage is basically the amount that a crypto is listed and the amount that you actually buy it due to the difference in time, you know, especially when there's a lot of volatility, okay? So you don't want a lot of slippage. Slippage is basically the amount to actually buy crypto versus the amount that it was listed when you initiated the trade. All right. So with a strong focus on the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem, AKKA is setting new standards for efficiency and accessibility. The airdrop details: start time is August 6th, okay, that's today, August 6th, and then it ends on October 26th, like I told you earlier. All right, so that's just 2 months, so you don't need to waste time. Jump in right now. Now the token ticker is AKKA, okay, and the total amount of airdrop is 8 million. Now listen to this very, very important information. The vesting period. Now, as soon as the airdrop ends in October, okay, you will get 20% of the tokens released immediately. All right, now every month, however, you will get an additional 20% of tokens released each month during the 2nd through the 4th months after the token generation events, okay, provided, and now this is the condition, provided that at least you make one swap each month. So if you don't make the swap each month, unfortunately, you will not be getting this token. So swapping is going to be very easy. I'll probably make another video about it in future, okay? So the remaining 20% of tokens will be released in the 5th month after the token generation events, provided the total swap volume exceeds 100 USDT. So you must swap this token for USDT. In the 1st month, you will do one swap. 2nd month, you do at least one swap. 3rd month, you do at least one swap. The 4th month, you will do at least one swap. Yes. Now in the 5th month, any remaining tokens, for each month you'll be getting 20%, okay? In the 5th month, any remaining tokens, okay, will now be released to you, provided you have swapped at least 100 USDT. All right, so the requirement is very strict, okay? So jump in, get these tokens. If this video has helped you, okay, like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell so that for all future videos that I'm sending, you'll be the first to get the notification. All right, guys, that's it for now. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.